Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to find recording calls on Android step by step so you never lose track of important conversations. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Phone app. You can find it right on your home screen or in the app drawer. Just look for the phone icon and tap it to get started. Step 2. Once you're inside the Phone app, look down at the bottom and tap on the Recents tab. This is where all your recent incoming and outgoing calls are listed, and it's the place we need to go next. Step 3. Now scroll through the call list and find the contact or number you want to check. If you've recorded calls with that person before, this is where you'll find them. Tap on the contact to open more details. Step 4. After tapping on the contact, you should see a menu or a call history pop up. Look carefully for an option that says recording calls. If recordings are available, they'll show up here, and you can simply tap on them to listen. And there you have it. You have successfully found recording calls on Android. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.